Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to use the layers panel in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website and I have different elements right here overlaid with one another. So what we're going to do is we'll click on the layers option right here at the bottom left of your screen. And when I click on this, a window will pop up and then we can just extend this one so that we can see our different layers in our website right here. And then from here, we can adjust the placements of the different elements right here so that we can overlay them with one another or put them at the back of the page. So for example, I will choose the icon logo, but if I drag it behind the green image, we can now see that this element right here is now behind this green image, but it is still at the front of this cap image and of this blue image right here. But if I drag this to the top of the pink image of the cap, you can now see that it is now behind both images since it is placed right here, but it is still at the front of this blue image right here. But if we put it at the top of this section, we can now see that the icon element has now disappeared since it is at the top of the different layers and it is being overlaid by the different images right here. But if you want it to be up again in the layers, we can just drag it around and then we can now see our icon logo element right here. And then you can do this with different elements as well. For example, this image, you can just click on it. We can make it so that the blue image will be overlaid over it. And then if we drag this, we can now see that it is still being overlaid by the different elements. But we can adjust this if we want it to be at the front of them. So that's how you use the layers panel in your Wix. You just need to play around with the different elements in your layers panel to adjust the look of your website. And I hope you learned how to use the layers panel. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.